You know how many times my phone rings on the weekends? 0.
Yeah.
My phone absolutely never rings on the weekends. Now, my maintenance guy's phone, maybe one time a month he'll get a call on a Saturday or Sunday. And typically it's a call he doesn't have to respond to, it's a call he can walk him through.
Not an emergency.
No, not an emergency. I mean, it just doesn't happen because we don't have a trashy property. Looks like we got a little smudge right there we might could fix, but do you see anything wrong with the bathroom?
I do not.
Would you live in this house?
1,000%.
I would live in this house with 0 issue. This house is no nicer than the house I live in, really. Now right here, you can see they had something hanging on that door. My guy should have fixed that, so I'll have to talk to them about that because they probably need to come paint it. They did paint the door because there's no scratch on the back, because when people hang that stuff on the doors, it scratches the doors. I'm not a big fan of that because it also pulls the, it pulls it out of the walls, the screws out of the walls and stuff like that.
It puts tension down.
Well, look at that. There's even a closet in here. I didn't even know that. I didn't even remember there was a closet in there. So how long ago was my rehab on this house? It's probably 5 years ago, 6 years ago.